In our fast-paced world, finding time for a dedicated workout can seem impossible. With the constant hustle and bustle, squeezing in a gym session often feels like a luxury we can't afford. Yet the benefits of regular exercise are undeniable. It's not just about physical health, it's about mental well-being too. Exercise boosts your mood, improves overall health, and significantly increases your energy levels. It's a holistic approach to a better you. The good news is, you don't need hours in a gym to see results. Short, effective workouts can fit seamlessly into your daily routine. A 10-minute at-home workout can be surprisingly effective. These brief sessions can yield significant benefits if done consistently. This essay introduces a 14-day workout challenge designed to ignite your fitness journey, right from the comfort of your home. No need for fancy equipment or a gym membership. This challenge isn't about perfection or high-intensity extremes, it's about making fitness accessible and enjoyable. Instead, it's about forming a habit of daily movement that fits into your busy schedule. Even the smallest effort can lead to big changes. Imagine carving out just 10 minutes a day for yourself. These moments are an investment in your health and happiness. It might seem small, but these minutes add up, transforming your body and mind over time. Consistency is key. The goal is to inspire you to start, no matter your fitness level or experience. Everyone can benefit from a little daily movement. The beauty of this workout is its simplicity. You don't need a lot of space or equipment, you need little to no equipment, and the exercises are straightforward. This makes it easy to start and stick with. Whether you're a beginner or getting back into fitness, this challenge can set the foundation for a healthier lifestyle. It's a gentle introduction to regular exercise. By the end of the 14 days, you'll not only notice physical changes but also a shift in mindset, one where you prioritize your well-being. This is about creating a sustainable habit. So, are you ready to commit to this empowering 14-day journey? It's time to take the first step towards a healthier you. Let's dive into the details of how each day will unfold, starting with the essential warm-up exercises to get your body ready for action. These warm-ups are crucial for preventing injury and maximizing your workout. Warming up is a crucial step in any exercise routine. It's the foundation that sets the tone for your entire workout session. It prepares your muscles, increases heart rate, and reduces the risk of injury. By gradually increasing your heart rate, you ensure that your body is ready for more intense activity. For this challenge, allocate 2 minutes to effectively warm up your body. This short-time investment can make a significant difference in your performance and safety. Start with a simple march on the spot. This basic movement is an excellent way to get started. Lift your knees high and swing your arms, gradually increasing the pace. This combination of movements helps to engage multiple muscle groups. This gets your blood flowing and muscles ready for the workout ahead. It's also a great way to mentally prepare yourself for the session. Next, transition into arm circles to loosen up your shoulders. This movement is essential for upper body flexibility. Stand with feet hip-width apart and stretch your arms out to the sides. This stance provides a stable base for the exercise. Rotate your arms forward in small circles, gradually making them bigger. This gradual increase helps to gently stretch the muscles. After 30 seconds, reverse the direction. This ensures that all parts of your shoulder muscles are engaged. This exercise helps improve shoulder mobility and is a great way to release tension from the upper body. It's particularly beneficial if you spend a lot of time sitting. The final part of the warm-up is the dynamic leg swing. This movement targets the lower body. Stand next to a wall for support. This will help you maintain balance during the exercise. Swing one leg forward and backward, keeping it straight. This dynamic movement helps to activate your hip flexors and hamstrings. Perform 10 swings on each leg. Make sure to keep your movements controlled and steady. This movement increases flexibility in your hip joints and prepares your legs for the exercises to come. It's an excellent way to ensure your lower body is ready for action. Remember, the goal is to gently prepare your body, not to exhaust it. A proper warm-up should leave you feeling energized, not fatigued. With your muscles and joints warmed up, you're ready to tackle the main portion of your workout. This preparation is key to a successful session. These simple yet effective movements set the stage for a productive and safe session. By taking the time to warm up, you're investing in your overall fitness and well-being. The core of this workout is a series of exercises performed for 7 minutes, designed to maximize efficiency and results in a short amount of time. The key is to maintain good form and pace yourself, ensuring each movement is executed correctly to avoid injury and get the most out of your workout. Begin with jumping jacks for 1 minute. This classic exercise is a great way to get your heart rate up quickly. They are a full-body exercise that increases cardiovascular health and burns calories, engaging multiple muscle groups simultaneously. Keep your movements controlled and breathe steadily. This helps maintain endurance and ensures you can keep going for the full 7 minutes. After jumping jacks, transition to squats for the next minute. This shift targets different muscle groups, giving your body a balanced workout. Stand with feet shoulder-width apart, lower your hips as if sitting in a chair, and then rise back up. Make sure to engage your core throughout the movement. Squats strengthen your legs and core, building muscle and improving overall stability and balance. Focus on keeping your back straight and knees aligned with your toes to prevent injury. Proper form is crucial for effectiveness and safety. The third minute involves push-ups. This exercise is excellent for building upper body strength. If full push-ups are challenging, modify by dropping to your knees. This allows you to build strength gradually. Push-ups work the upper body, including the chest, shoulders, and triceps. They also engage your core for added stability. Aim for as many as you can, maintaining a consistent pace. Consistency helps build endurance and muscle strength over time. Midway through, switch to planks for a minute. This static exercise is a great way to challenge your core. Hold your body straight as a board, resting on your forearms and toes. Ensure your hips don't sag or rise too high. This isometric exercise targets your core and improves stability, which is essential for overall fitness and injury prevention. Follow up with lunges, alternating legs, to engage the lower body and enhance balance. Lunges are great for building leg strength and coordination. For the final 2 minutes, perform mountain climbers. This high-intensity exercise will push your cardiovascular system to the limit. Assume a plank position and quickly bring your knees towards your chest, one at a time, as if running in place. This move is excellent for building endurance and burning calories. Finish strong with a high knee sprint on the spot, pushing your limits to maximize calorie burn and cardiovascular benefits. This final burst of energy will leave you feeling accomplished and energized. After an intense workout, cooling down is essential. It helps your body transition back to rest and reduces muscle stiffness. Dedicate 1 minute to stretching. Start with a forward fold stretch. Stand tall, inhale deeply, and as you exhale, bend at the hips, reaching towards your toes. This stretch targets the hamstrings and lower back. Next, move into a shoulder stretch. Bring one arm across your body, holding it with the opposite arm. Hold each side for 15 seconds. This stretches the shoulder muscles, which can feel tense after exercises like push-ups and planks. Follow up with a quad stretch. Stand on one leg, pulling the opposite foot towards your glute. Keep your knee pointing down to stretch the front of your thigh. Hold each side for 15 seconds. This helps release tension in your legs after squats and lunges. Conclude with deep breathing. Sit or stand comfortably, inhale slowly through your nose, and exhale through your mouth. This calms the nervous system and aids in recovery, leaving you refreshed and energized. Section 5. The importance of consistency. Consistency is the cornerstone of any successful fitness regimen. It's the repeated action that drives progress and results. This 14-day challenge is structured to instill a habit of daily exercise. Even on the busiest days, a 10-minute session is manageable. The beauty lies in its simplicity and accessibility. Routine helps your body adapt, improving endurance and strength over time. Each session builds on the last, creating a cumulative effect. Your muscles become conditioned, and what once felt challenging becomes easier. This progression keeps you motivated and eager to continue. Moreover, consistency in exercising helps cultivate discipline. It becomes a non-negotiable part of your day, much like brushing your teeth. The more you integrate it into your lifestyle, the less it feels like a chore and more like a reward. Remember, it's about progress, not perfection. There will be days when motivation wanes or life gets in the way. The key is to not let those days derail your efforts. Instead, return to the routine the next day with renewed vigor. Section 6. Pairing exercise with nutrition. A well-rounded fitness journey combines exercise with balanced nutrition. While the 10-minute workouts tone your body, nutrition fuels your progress. Eating a variety of whole foods provides the necessary vitamins and minerals to support your active lifestyle. Focus on incorporating lean proteins, whole grains, and a rainbow of fruits and vegetables into your diet. These foods provide essential nutrients that aid in muscle recovery and energy production. Hydration is equally important. Water is vital for maintaining bodily functions and optimizing workout performance. Consider starting your day with a nutritious breakfast. It sets the tone for healthy eating and energizes you for your workout. Simple options like oatmeal with fruit or eggs with vegetables are both satisfying and nourishing. Lastly, be mindful of portion sizes and limit processed foods. Remember, the goal is not deprivation, but balance. By aligning your eating habits with your fitness routine, you maximize the benefits of your 14-day challenge and pave the way for long-term health. Section 7. Staying motivated. Tips and tricks. Staying motivated throughout a fitness challenge can be tough, but it's essential for success. Setting clear, achievable goals is a good starting point. These can be as simple as completing each workout or increasing the number of repetitions in a session. Tracking your progress is another effective method. Keep a journal, or use a fitness app to record your workouts and any changes you notice in your body or energy levels. Seeing tangible progress can be incredibly motivating and encourage you to stick with the routine. Incorporating variety into your workouts can also help maintain interest. Although this challenge follows a set structure, feel free to swap exercises with similar ones that target the same muscle groups. This keeps the routine fresh and engaging. Lastly, find a workout buddy or join an online community. Sharing your journey with others provides support and accountability. Celebrating small victories together enhances the experience and keeps motivation high. Section 8. Measuring success. Track your progress. Tracking progress is crucial to understanding how your body adapts to exercise. Start by taking initial measurements or photos. While numbers on a scale are one way to measure changes, consider other indicators like how your clothes fit or your energy levels throughout the day. Periodically assess your performance in the exercises. Note improvements in endurance, strength, and flexibility. Can you do more push-ups than when you started? Are you holding planks longer? These are signs of increased fitness. Listening to your body is equally important. Pay attention to how you feel physically and mentally. Improved sleep, reduced stress, and a positive mood are significant markers of a successful fitness regimen. Revisit your journal or app to reflect on your journey. Celebrate your achievements, no matter how small. Recognizing progress bolsters confidence and motivates you to continue beyond the 14 days. Section 9. Conclusion. Your fitness journey begins. Congratulations on considering or completing this 14-day at-home workout challenge. Committing to daily exercise is a commendable step towards better health and wellness. Remember, this is just the beginning of your fitness journey. The habits and discipline you develop now will serve you for a lifetime. Continue to build on the foundation you've created. Whether it's extending the duration of your workouts or trying new routines, keep challenging yourself. Pair your exercise with healthy eating habits for even greater benefits. Your commitment to this challenge shows that you value your health. Keep that momentum going. Use the tips and strategies outlined here to stay motivated and on track. Embrace each day as an opportunity to improve your well-being. Your body and mind are worth the effort. Here's to a healthier, stronger you.